Story, and today I'm going to be showing you how to today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own intro for your own video. So go to project assignment and title. I'm going to name it subscribe. I don't know why. Okay. Now you're going to pick a background. I'm going to pick let's pick this one. Yeah, that was nice. I'm just gonna go my basic theme one. I'm gonna skip that and leave that for the end of the video. Let's go to the next opening. Hello. Stars. Hello, stars. Exclamation mark. Oh my god. Subscribe, comment, and like. And I don't know. How about I'm losing my mind. Oh, and enjoy. Yay. Then next, then I already downloaded a music. If you don't know how to download your music, go to here or here. Already got music. I can add more, I think. IDK. What's this? Get sound effects. I haven't gotten the sound effects. You're right. I'm gonna get me some sound effects. No. Never mind. I already have those. Recorded songs. Yeah, I already have mine, and I'm gonna use Under the Stars. Full. Yep. Enjoy that music for a while. 1 minute, 38 seconds. This sounds like Neon Cat. Add it. Next. Oh, I forgot something. Put this up here. Beep, 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 beep. I don't usually put hello stars or well, this is my first time making an intro. Actually my second. Just learned it. It's pretty easy actually. Hey, you live, you learn. Am I right? Animation, pop. Dent. Overall animation, I'm gonna use ring. Oh my god, no way. Floating. Ooh, drifting. Way back the way. Squishing. Let's use floating. Yeah. Good. Oh, and I forgot this part. The layer. Mobizen. That's what I'm using. I usually use this one because it's easiest and it's heat. And then overall animation. Oh my god, no way. What the? That kind of works. Jitter. Oh my god. Fountain is annoying. Ring. Ooh, floating. No, drifting. Drifting like a little griever. Like a little griever. I don't know what I'm singing. Now. This is just a sneak peek. Oh, it doesn't say enjoy. No. Wait, this does. It's behind it. Wait, is it? I don't know. Oh, this is the middle one. Overall animation. Let's use pulse. No. Ooh, spin. Oh my god. It doesn't even stop. Wee, 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 wee. I'm gonna use pulse. No, blink slow. Jitter. I'm gonna use floating. I don't know, floating and drifting are my favorite. What about this one? Enjoy. Where? Oh, it's back here. Usually put it over here. Overall animation. No, go back. Animation. Pop. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. Yep. Sirs. Wait, let's do it from the beginning. Yay! So that's how you make your intro, and then adding it to YouTube is your problem because I really don't know how. I'm still searching. I guess you can use YouTube Capture, but I can't find it on my Play Store. So I don't know what you could use, but this works. KineMaster, yeah, it totally will work. Then you can save it to your gallery. Cancel, because I already saved one. Da-da. That's how you make one. I already made one. See? That was the one I made right now. 8. Perfect. I was recording that. Oh, this is my favorite. Absolute favorite. I don't know why. It's just in the background. I like it. And then this one, I just made with Logo Maker. Not very good. I still do my stuff myself. Well, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope you made an absolute awesome intro. Please subscribe, comment. Wait, why can't I just put my intro? And it will say it all. There it is. Subscribe, comment, and like. So that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed all of these that I made. And the one that I made right now. And yeah, read it. So subscribe. Thank you. Bye, my absolute stars.